we're going to take a look at how to turn the air boosters on the spa, as well as how to turn the heater on for the spa. It's all remote driven, so for the most part, it's fairly intuitive. Here it is. When you turn the spa or the heater on, you want this off for the pool for pulling water. So to get it there, on the remote, you hit the spa button, and that makes it automatically turn. That was for the water pulling from the pool. Now the spa is all the way open, the pool's off. Next, you get the water feeding to the pool. I'm going to turn the heater on, so I only want the water feeding to the spa, not the pool. So I'm going to flip the little switch, and that will turn the valve automatically. So now it will no longer feed to the pool, it will only feed to the spa. So we're only pulling water from the spa and only feeding water to the spa. Next, I'm going to turn the pool heater on. Everything is done from the remote. So to do that, I'm going to go to my options. I'm going to go to my heat. And spa, it's currently set at 99 degrees. It's turned off. I'm going to go to set it to turn on. Now heater is on. So now I see the power's on, the service, everything's on, and pretty soon you'll hear it fire up. All right, there it is. Everything's working. And once this is on, you can feel heat. It comes off of here pretty good. They say these Tritons, they never die. They'll last forever. Now we're at the hot tub, and I want to turn the boosters on. So I'm back at the remote, and you can see the remote tells you the air temperature and the pool temperature and the hot tub temperature, as well as the date and time of day. So to turn the bubbles on, which are amazing, I'm simply going to go over and push air blower. So let's do that now. And the air starts coming out, it's powering up. To turn it off, I'm going to go back to my remote, turn the remote on. Once it's on, I'm going to go to the air blower and press it, and the bubbles turn off. And I'm sure you're already aware of this, but the pool was resurfaced right around 3 years ago with PebbleTec, so it's all brand new surface, brand new tile. In addition to that, right around a year and a half ago, I bought this new pump. And it's a variable speed pump, so you can literally let it go 24 hours a day, and it costs roughly 40 cents a day in electricity. It's one of the best pumps you can get. It's an IntelliFlow variable speed pump. And any questions, feel free to ask.